Hey guys, how many of you want to know that how to become confident in English or how to speak English confidently, guys? This is a very subjective things, guys, or very kind of things that depend upon a person that how actually he consider himself like is he feeling confident or not. It completely depend upon us. But the question is that how to become confident in English? In my cases, in my view, guys, so me, that's a confidence is something that comes when you go and engage with people practicing and encourage yourself grow off in yourself, and that time the confidence comes, guys. It is not something that comes easily or all of a sudden. It comes when you are just keep on trying, practicing, making videos and so on things. And there are so many things, guys, that is consider will consider when you talk about the confidence speaking English. But basically, guys, confidence means what? It is a kind of inner feeling, inner belief that you have potential, that you can do something in your field. That is called confidence. Like, and confidence comes when you are good at something else, guys. And when you become good at something, when you do that work. So, how to become confidence in speaking English is the only way to practice collaborating, speaking with people, practicing with them, have a conversation with them, and open yourself as far as you can. And then only, guys, the confidence comes, and there is no any hard and fast rule for that. And also you can do like making videos, uploading on the internet, and there are so many people will watch your videos and appreciate you like they are speaking well. Or if you are not speaking well now, they will tell you, they will correct you that you are doing wrong in this way, and in that way also you can gain confidence, and that is also a way. And again, you can go and physically approach to the people who are around you and have a conversation with them. That is also way to gain confidence. So the confidence is something that comes, guys, when you go and practice, when you do and do something and gain experience of that. The confidence comes from experience, as actually I know, guys. Okay, when you have some experience ना, that time you can say like I'm very confident. तो नॉलेज से कुछ नहीं होता है. द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स, गाइस, आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है, आपके पास कॉन्फिडेंस भी है, गाइस. इन ऑर्डर टू एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव टू टेक द एक्शन. तो एक्शन से क्या आता है? एक्सपीरियंस से आता है, एक्सपीरियंस से आपको कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है. ये बेसिक फंडा है, गाइस, दैट यू नीड टू अप्लाई इन योर लाइफ. And that's what actually I learned throughout this making videos, practicing speaking English with the people. क्यों कोई भी चीज़ करने से ही कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. And this is simple, guys. So in order to gain confidence, go and talk with people, gain experience, and be confident. That's way, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you really like the video, then subscribe my channel, guys.